Often I like to format my emails so they stand out more clearly. For example, let's start with unread and read emails. If I click on an email and I choose from the tags group the unread read button, I can mark this email as unread. What this effectively does is make it bold and make it blue. What I want to do is make it stand out more if it hasn't been read. And so for this we're going to use something called conditional formatting. From the View tab in the ribbon, in the current View group, click the View Settings button. And here's an option here called Conditional Formatting. If we click the Conditional Formatting button, I can see there are a number of rules already in place. What I'd like to do is improve on unread messages. So I'm going to click this particular rule, and then I'm going to click the Font button. What I'd like to do is increase the font size for unread emails, and I'll take it up to 9. I might also like to change the colour to red, and I'll click OK. If I click OK again and OK again, any unread messages, as you can see now, are larger than the other messages because they're font size 9 and they're red. As I mark an email, if I go to the Home tab and mark an email as unread, I find that it automatically goes red and 9 points. And if I mark it as unread, the red and the 9 points disappears. In addition to customizing how read and unread emails appear, I may also want to make emails from a certain person or a certain group appear differently to other emails. For example, emails that I receive from Microsoft Survey at Certiport, I might want to color those or format those differently. So what I'm going to do is rest on this particular message, I'm going to rest on their email address, and then I'm going to hit the drop down and expand the contact card, and I'm going to right click this particular email and take a copy of this email. I'm then going to go to the View tab in the ribbon, and in the current View group I'm going to hit View Settings. I'm going to go to Conditional Formatting, and this time I'm going to add a new rule. So I'll click the Add button. The title I'd like to give this rule is Microsoft Emails. I'm going to then choose a font, and I want it to appear 9 and maybe green or lime, no green, and maybe bold. So I can control the look of those particular emails and OK. Now I have to set the condition that establishes what exactly are Microsoft emails. So I'll click the Condition button. What I want to do is in the From box, paste by right-clicking in the From box and paste the email I took a copy of earlier. So any messages from this particular email address are to be green and bold. I'll click OK, I'll click OK, and OK again. And you can see automatically any emails from Microsoft Survey at Certiport are automatically bold and green. So it's quite nice to automatically format emails from a certain person or a certain domain to look different from other emails so they stand out.